In this quick video, I want to show you these and why you need to know about them, and why you need to know about them right now. This is PrintABlok, and I was actually given the heads up to try these by a good friend Filament Stories, who you must know about by now, but if not, then go check that channel out. But this system was designed from the ground up. Actually from a desk, probably. I can't imagine how hard it would be to start designing things on the ground. Yep, from the desk of 3D Printing Professor, who has his own YouTube channel, and I will link you to it below. These blocks are kind of clever though, and I will show you why. Most of the time when you print stuff, you have to go to great lengths to make the parts fit together afterwards, and if you try to 3D print those blocks we can't name, they present a lot of challenges that have been solved in this design. These blocks fit together with a diamond shape, I guess you could call it a receptacle, and there's these pegs that clip into them. The amazing thing though is that they just work. Even if you print them out on different printers with different wall thicknesses and profiles, they're still intercompatible. They will still clip together, which is something I've really not seen before, and that's what's so clever about the design, not having the interlocking function being closely coupled with the exact dimensionality of the part, if that's actually a word. Anyway, I think you get what I mean. And the clips have a little hole in as well, so you can remove them with a paperclip if they're too tight and a bit stubborn to get out. Printing these is what inspired my last video, actually. Prints like these are ideal for magnetic textured beds, like the one on the King Rune, where printing out the whole model on a glass plate would be a more risky endeavour, with a lot more chance of one part failing. I wouldn't tell you to use glue for this on glass, but you should totally use glue. Did I say that out loud? Oh well. So this model and some other parts are free at the moment, so I would recommend getting it right now and trying it, because there's a Kickstarter coming up for the set that this part is from, as I understand it, and there's also loads of other parts on printables, I noticed. Of course, you can also remix and make your own pieces and not get a cease and desist letter for posting them online, which is really great. As Filament Story said in her video, you can print them out at double the size too, and it makes them easier to put together, but I prefer the original size as it seems to together better for me, but your mileage may vary. Anyway, go check it out and let me know what you think, and also go check out 3D Printing Professor and let him know what you think. Thanks to Joe for giving me permission to show you these though. It was my idea, not his, to make this video. I hope you enjoyed them too, and I will see you next time. Thank you for watching.